Welcome to your fun English lessons. Today, we're practicing listening and speaking with the topic my family. Listen closely and try to catch all the words. Hey guys! It's Sophia, and today, I'm going to introduce you to my amazing family. They're all so different but super important in their own way. Let's dive in. First, my dad, Peter. He's the calmest person you'll ever meet, like, never stressed. He's also the fixer of everything in our house. If something breaks, Dad's got it covered. He's the glue that keeps us together when things get crazy. Then, my mom, Sophie. She's the planner and organizer. Without her, we'd probably be lost. She makes sure we know what's happening every day, and trust me, she's the reason we're not always late. She's the heartbeat of our family, making sure everything runs smoothly. Next, my little brother, Ethan. He's 10, but he acts like a YouTube star already. Always filming everything. Ethan brings the energy and fun into our family, he's always up to something creative. Our dog, Max, is our furry, lazy buddy. He may just sleep all day, but he's like our emotional support. He knows how to cheer us up with his big, goofy smile. Now, my grandparents. Grandma Lily tells the best stories from when she was younger, and Grandpa Joe? He's the family comedian, always cracking jokes. They bring wisdom and fun to our lives, reminding us to laugh even when things get tough. Finally, my sister, Mia. She's 17 and super smart. She's always giving advice, especially about school and life. She's like our mini guide, helping us with stuff we didn't even know we needed help with. So last weekend, we went for a family picnic. Mom had everything perfectly planned, of course. But guess what? Max stole the sandwiches. We all had to chase him around the park. Mom was freaking out, Dad was just laughing, Ethan was filming the whole thing, and Mia? She just stood there, all calm, saying, "I told you we should have packed extra." Grandma and Grandpa were just watching from a distance, probably placing bets on who'd catch Max first. That's my family. Each one is super important and makes our home special in their own way. What about your family? Do you have any funny stories? Share them with me in the comments, and don't forget to practice your English by telling me what you learned today. See you in the next video.